Currently, I worked as an event coordinator in the Black Rock Oceanfront Resort. It's located in Ucluelet on the Vancouver Island, and my responsibilities to plan, organize, and execute different events. At the beginning, it was very tough period to catch up with everything, to realize how Canadian educational system works. That was different for me. I just was looking for some courses in hospitality, and some colleges didn't provide prices, or there were like some hidden extra fees, or sometimes they didn't respond on time. But Alfred provided all information, and I also had a scholarship, and the schedule fit me so good because I could combine my work and my studying, and also because we had opportunity to learn online. That was my priority. I've had a lot of on-floor experience about execution. But when you have academical knowledge, it helps to understand how the whole process works, especially if you work in a resort and you need to collaborate with different departments like front desk department, kitchen department, housekeeping department. So if I didn't had this course, like of hospitality management, I wouldn't understand how everything interconnected and how everything works. It's never late to change a job or to change the field and start building your new career again, despite age, despite any circumstances, despite any doubts. Just you need to try, because if you don't try, you will never know what you can do.